We have so much going on today. We have a lot of orders that we need to fulfill. We have things that we need to make for those orders. He's upset about that.
Such attitude.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Hey everyone. So today is another day in the life of our soap and bath bomb business. We just had our last outdoor market yesterday. So now we have to put away our stuff. It's still out. And because we lost our Sunday market, our Sunday outdoor market, we are now moving our inventory day up a day. So now we're gonna be doing inventory today. So I thought I'd show you guys how we do that. And another reason why we thought we'd do a day in the life is because we have so much going on today. We have a lot of orders that we need to fulfill. We have things that we need to make for those orders. He's upset about that.
Such attitude.
And so there's a lot going on right now. So this is kind of a good way to show you how busy we are leading up to Christmas, because it's already been busy, but it's about to get even busier. Right,
It's gonna be a busy day.
Yeah.
Yep. Got some cabbage rolls in the oven right now.
Yeah, we're gonna eat lunch first and then tackle everything.
And this is some leftover pico de gallo that I made
yesterday. We have a Halloween party with a owner of the bed and breakfast that's here in town, and her friends are amazing. They were so much fun. It's funny because they're a little bit older than us, so I thought, okay, it's a Halloween party. They're not gonna be, you know, dressed up too crazily. So I didn't really put that much effort into my costume, but their costumes were amazing. They looked so, I don't even know what, like, they looked expensive. They really put a lot of effort into it. So if we go to another of those parties next year, I probably will put a little bit more effort into my costume, because I didn't really do very much. Did you like your costume?
Yeah, fun crowd. Yep.
Yeah.
Chuck put some makeup on me, so I had kind of sunken in eyes.
Yeah.
And
I'll insert
a little
the
bit of blood
picture.
coming out my mouth. So
Yeah.
yeah. No.
It was really cool too, because the host of that party owns a bed and breakfast that we have some of our products in. And she had friends over that owns one of the businesses in town. And she has talked to us about putting our products in a bed and breakfast that she owns. So there's a lot of networking going on. And that's another important thing that you should do if you are a business owner, is to network, get to know your community, get out there, talk to people, because you never know where someone might want to purchase some of your products. So it was a really good party for just relaxing and having fun, but also to spread the word a little bit more about our business. So today we're going to be, I mentioned inventory. We have to do lotions for an order. We have to do the second half of the lip balms that we're making for that smoothie company that we showed you guys. So our first batch of smoothie lip balms turned out amazing. It was great. So we're gonna be doing more of those to complete her order, and we're gonna be sending those to her. And what else are we gonna do today? Oh, and yesterday we got a huge order for shampoo bars, 250 bars. So we have to start making those yesterday. But we're gonna have to get a lot of stuff going.
Got some Etsy orders to fulfill.
Etsy orders.
Shopify orders to fulfill.
Shopify orders.
And then just like random side messaging from people in our community in town.
Yeah,
that we gotta fulfill. So
it's gonna get a little messy, so we need to start organizing too. We've been writing a lot of lists and getting better with that. So all of the stuff we should probably put in a list and just help us focus on what we need to do and get it done, put our heads down. So busy Saturday, or sorry, busy Sunday. Busy Sunday. So Kale has done our inventory, and we do this once a week, and that really helps us determine what we need to make and also gives us an idea of what we have on hand. I think this is a really good business practice if you guys are selling a lot and are finding it difficult to keep track of what you actually have on hand. Definitely keep track of your inventory. It's kind of annoying, but it really saves you a lot of time and hassle at the end. Little sampler bundles, we need to label those. These are all of our orders that we need to fulfill and get out the door. I need to label all of these lip balms. This one is the smoothie lip balm that I need to make a label for. She wants her company on it, so it's kind of a private label situation, so I need to create that label. Here is our Georgian Bay blend. I need to label these. Strawberry sorbet lip balms, and here we need to make caramel lip balms labels. So a lot of labeling that needs to go on right now. So here are our lip balm labels. This is the lip balm labels for the smoothie that Kayla and I tried. And this is her company logo. There's a flavor, and then, yeah, I create all of this in Photoshop, and I use online labels for my labels. So I just input these inventory numbers into our master sheet here, and this keeps track of our inventory, but it also keeps track of our sales as well. So we can see how many bars of something we sold, and we track that week by week. It's been really helping us determine what our best sellers are and what flavors or scents don't sell as well. And look how far we got. Kale has the orders laid out and he did such a good job. We have labels printed for this order and I managed to pour the lotions, so that's done. We got a new schedule, so yeah. And there you have it. That is a day in the life of a small business owner. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Last I looked, there were 800 of you guys, which is incredible. It's like I made 800 new friends. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. You guys are just amazing. And I've been loving reading your comments and responding to all of them. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I read every single one. I try to answer every single one. So something that you might be thinking or wondering, someone else is probably thinking the same thing too. And your feedback has been awesome. I have so many ideas for upcoming videos. I don't know if I'll be able to be posting daily. It's starting to get really, really busy, so it might end up being once every other day moving forward, but know that I am going to try to keep pumping them out because I just love making content for you guys. Thanks for choosing to follow me on my journey and keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.